Hi, hello, welcome to MS Academy. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about 9th class second lesson motion. Yes, so what is in motion? Yes, when you can call that object is in motion. When the object changes its position with respect to time. For example, I am in motion means my position is getting changed from one point to the another point with respect to time. Then we can call that object is in motion. Then when you call that object is at rest. Yes, for example, if you take this blackboard, now this blackboard is at rest position. Now, does it changing its position with respect to time? No, it is not changing. It is at constant position. Yes, if an object doesn't change its position with respect to time, then that object is called as, that object is said to be at rest. If it changes its position with respect to time, then we call that object is in motion. Next, motion is relative. How can we say that motion is relative? Now let us take one small example. Assume this is a road. On the road, two persons are sitting in a car and they are going in this direction. Two persons are standing on a road. Here a tree is there. Now here these two persons are standing on a road. With respect to these two persons, now the tree is at rest position. Why? There is no change in the position between these two. Now with respect to the person sitting in a car, yes, as they are going in this direction, the tree has changed its position. So with respect to the persons who are sitting in the car, tree is in motion. Means the motion is depending upon the observer. That is called as motion is relative. Means here the position is getting changed. For these two persons, the tree is at rest. Whereas the two persons who are sitting in the car, the tree is in motion. Means it is changing. It is changing. Even though tree is at that point itself, but the persons who are going in a car, the position of a tree. Now for example, I am going in this way. The position of the board has been changed or not? So with respect to that, as the persons are going in the car, yes, the position of a tree has been changed. So we call that tree is in motion with respect to these persons. Tree is at rest with respect to these persons. That is called as motion is relative. Next, distance. What do you mean by a distance? Now for example, we are traveling from your house to school. Yes, when I ask you to go to school, okay, you are going by walk. Will you reach the school directly? You will go to shop. From shop you will buy something, and from there you will go to your friend's house, and from there you will go to the school. Means this is nothing but you have travelled from your house to shop, shop to friend's house to school. This is nothing but the actual path which you have travelled. That is called as a distance. What is displacement? You can go directly from your house to school. That is nothing but the shortest path. That gives you displacement. Distance gives you the actual path. Here, distance, it doesn't have any direction. You can't go in a particular direction. Either you can go from here to there to shop, shop to school. That here you are not following a particular direction. So, distance is a scalar quantity. Scalar means what, ma? Which have only magnitude but not direction. Displacement. నేను ఇలా వెళ్తేనే నాకు షార్ట్ కట్ వస్తుంది. Means here you have a direction. So displacement is a vector quantity. Now what is this speed? Speed is nothing but distance by time taken. What is the units of distance? Meter. Time, second. These are the units for speed. So here speed is nothing but distance by time. Units meter per second. Even speed also doesn't have any direction. It is also a scalar quantity. Velocity, displacement by time. Here also the same units, meter per second. This is also a vector quantity. Why? Because displacement have one particular direction. That is the difference. Scalar and which has only magnitude, vector which has both magnitude and direction. These are the basics concept, and the remaining concepts we shall discuss in the next video. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.